MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com and RockAuto.com.
You've probably heard it said that it's a changing world, and that's certainly true when it comes to automobiles. Now, in the past, I have told you that for emergencies and so on, you should always have a fully charged cell phone in the car, but now we have something else that you should be using your cell phone for. That is to record vital information about your car. Specifically, the VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, which is right here in the windshield. Take a picture of it. Make sure that it's a legible picture, because that is going to tell you a lot of information about the car when you have to take it in for service or you have to buy parts for it. Now, again with a cell phone, go inside the driver's door or the fuel filler cap. You'll find a decal that gives you production date and tire pressure and gross vehicle weights and all of that stuff. Take a picture of that so that you have it recorded in your phone, again, for service and parts purchasing. So it can really save you a lot of time. Now, another thing that you need to be aware of is that cars have problems. And that means there may be recalls and there may be TSBs. TSB is Technical Service Bulletin. They're not the same thing. A recall is where the manufacturer or somebody has found a safety defect and they're going to recall the car, they're going to fix it for you. It's typically going to be free of charge. TSB is where the manufacturer or a collection of technicians have found the answer to a common problem and they publish that answer. Now, say you have an electrical problem that might take 5 hours to diagnose, yet there's a technical service bulletin that takes 5 minutes to look up. Well, that 5 minutes could save 5 hours worth of diagnostic time. So, here's the rule. You want to make sure that you understand what these are, and before you take your car in for repairs, make sure the shop is going to look on sites like this Safer Cars site or something like that to get the technical service bulletins and the recalls for your car. Could save you an enormous amount of money. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.